Yo guys, what is the crack? Today is my very first video and it's a tutorial on how to fix OBS not recording your display on a laptop. I will recreate that issue for you now, but you know already, clearly you wouldn't be here. Display capture. Okay, there is not working. Very easy fix, even though I took forever trying to figure it out because people take forever making videos. But basically, you see the issue. The problem is that Windows and OBS are arguing with each other and not knowing which graphics card to use, your dedicated one or integrated one. So you need to treat Windows like a child and tell it to use whatever graphics card you choose. To do that, you go into your start menu, go to your graphics settings, and you click browse here. You find your OBS exe file or shortcut. Doesn't matter what you use. It's normally in C, program files, OBS Studio if you use default settings. Add it. Click it. Add it. Click options. Okay, here is a thing there is a warning here. If you're going to play games and you want to record games, you must use high performance because then it will use your graphics card. As you see, it will use the GTX 1650. However, it will kill your battery life. If you just want to record the screen, simply just use power saving, and then if you want to play games, you go into high performance. It's that simple. Save, exit out, and now you go back into OBS. This might not work right now. It might just need a system restart, but again, it might. Okay, as you see, it's not working. I'm just going to do a system restart, and I will be back with you in a moment. And we are back. My laptop is now restarted, and we're just going to reconnect, and we will check OBS to see if it worked. Should have worked. I'd be surprised if it didn't work. Really surprised. As you see, problem solved. That is pretty much the end of the video. However, there's a bit more onto it about my channel. If you want to stay, you can. If not, just click off now if you don't want to hear rambling. Basically, this channel, I made it because I'm fed up with the way people do tutorials, unboxings and all. It's just so long and unwinded just to please the YouTube algorithm, which is fair enough. They need money. I don't mind that. However, my tutorials are going to be quick and straight to the point. Any information you need, you can put in the comments and I will try to explain it. Is that simple? But it's just boring the way some people make the videos. I watched a fix for this actually about 2 months ago. It was 2 or 3 months ago, and it was such a long video I cannot remember what it was done. So I just decided I'm going to make my own videos, and if anyone wants to have it help with me, they can watch on. They can do it. If not, it's okay too. So basically this channel is going to be a bit different. It's not going to be your default taking 10-15 minutes to tell you to do something, take a minute and a half. This literally took a minute and a half, and that's because I know what I'm doing. A new user should only take 2 minutes to do this. But that's not important. It's not here or there. But that's it fixed. Basically, you can work away now. You may need to go back and eventually. I highly doubt you will. I've had this working for a month now and hasn't had any issues. I had one issue, and that's when I changed the dedicated graphics card, and all I needed to do was restart the PC. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out and good luck. And fuck long-winded videos. It doesn't give you more of. It tells you they take about 10 years and they're just mumbling. Fuck up, Google. Anyway, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. This channel is going to be completely different from most other ones. Unboxing is going to be different, reviews are going to be different, projects is going to be different because I hate the way people does things. Anyway, again, I said it before, thank you for watching. Peace out and good luck.